Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to your reading lesson for the day. I'm going to introduce lesson 10 to you today. We're going to talk about our new words to know, read through our story together, and then you will have a seesaw assignment to complete. So our words to know this week is the story, The Cupcake Party. And I know that myself, I am really disappointed that we are not in person together because usually when we do this story, if we're in person, we do cupcakes in my class and I let them decorate them. So maybe we can do that when we get back sometime. Okay, so words to know for today. Let's go over our words and then we'll read the sentence together. So I'll say it and then you say it. Give. It says she will give a gift to her friend. Everyone say one. Good. There was one cupcake on the plate. Let's go up here to number 3. Say small. Good. The small red box is on the left. Good, everyone. Let's go to 4. Say put. It kind of looks like put, but it's put. The U has a long U sound. Put. It's not okay? So they put the party hats on their heads. Number 5, everybody say eat. Good. EA says E. The children eat pizza at the party. And number 6, everyone say take. Good. They both take some balloons home. Good job. Okay. So this week, our target skill that we're going to be talking about is story structure. So it says a story has different parts. The characters are the people and the animals. The setting is when and where a story takes place. The events make up the plot. So we're going to be talking about the characters, who is in our story, the setting, where it takes place, and the plot. The plot is often about a problem and how the characters solve it. You can use a story map to write text evidence about characters, setting, and plot. And we'll be practicing that this week. So it says another strategy is we want you to practice visualizing this week. So to understand a story, you sometimes have to picture it in your mind as to what is happening as you read. It will help you comprehend and understand the story better. So our preview of the topic is feelings. It says sometimes you feel happy, sometimes you may feel sad. We have many different feelings. You will read about friends and their feelings in a cupcake party. So we're going to be doing the think, pair, share today. And it says, how can you show your feelings? Think about it and complete the sentences and share your answers. So you're going to be doing that on Seesaw today. And let's go ahead and we'll read our story together today. And then your second assignment will be to read your story. Try and read it on your own at home, okay? So our genre this week is a fantasy. So a fantasy is a story that could not happen in real life. So as you read, I want you to look for animals who talk and act like people and events that could not really happen. Our author is David McPhail, and our illustrator is also David McPhail. So he wrote the words and he drew the pictures. Our essential question today is, how can you show a friend that you care about him or her? So I want you to think about that, boys and girls. How can you show a friend or a family member that you care about them? What are some things you can do? Let's go ahead and get started with our story. It says, I miss my friends, Fritz said. I must have a big party. Fritz had a list of friends to ask to his party. Fritz went to ask Kit. So right away we see our characters. We have Fritz and right now we have Kit. So we have 2 characters. I will come, Kit said. It will be grand. Fritz went to ask Jack. Here's another character next. Jack said yes. A party is fun, Jack said. Fritz met Fran and Stan at a tree stump. Fran and Stan said yes too. Fritz went to ask Glenn last. I will not miss it, Glenn said. Fritz baked cupcakes to give to his friends. He put a small picture on every one, and we can see lots of our new words to know in there. So think about how good his friends are going to feel when they each have their own cupcake with their own picture on it. That would make me feel really special if a friend did that for me. Fritz felt glad to see his friends. Take the cupcake with a picture of you on it, Fritz said. His friends had a snack for Fritz too, and they brought him a giant acorn with a bow. Yum! Now we can eat and have fun, Fritz said. All right, boys and girls, so tomorrow we'll be talking more in depth about characters, setting, and plot. So what I would like you to do is your 2 assignments for today, and I'll put them on your Google Slides, is to read the story A Cupcake Party yourself. Try and read it out loud to someone at home. And then you do have a seesaw assignment, your think, draw, and share, or think, write, draw, share. And then you also will have a words to know practice page. Have a great day.